Alright, here we go guys, another installation video. This time it's the Tekno Big Bore Center Driveshaft and Outdrives kit. Been waiting for this for a while, and now it's time to actually install this thing. It'll make your truck a lot quieter and also run a lot smoother, so we'll see. Hold on. It's falling off. Alright, once you open it up, you have the actual drive shaft, the two out drives for the front and back, and the O-rings and the set screws. They are different between the front and back. The one for the back has a bigger opening for the slipper or your center diff, and the O-rings will fit inside of those, so it doesn't move it back and forth as much. Okay, here's your two set screws. The longer one will go in the front. As you see, I'm just putting these O-rings in here. You put two in each out drive. And where's it? Okay. Yeah, it's annoying. Make sure you get your set screw in there. Yeah, the longer set screw goes in the front. Just don't forget your Loctite, because that will back out on you. The vibrations of that center drive shaft will just make the screw back out, and that won't be too good. So don't forget your thread lock. Now for the back on the center diff. Slides on, and the set screw you put on top of the flat part, like with the other one. Don't forget your Loctite on here too. Now you can just put them together. That's how it sits right there. That moves so much because I forgot the other O-ring in the front, but I'll put that in later. Alright, let's try it out real quick. Alright, little throttle. It's smooth. And I might need a new driveline bearing. But that's it, pretty much. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out.